Hi, everybody. I hope you all had a good Easter and enjoyed your time with your families. Today is the day after Easter, and today I need to get my apartment back to normal. So, no, we did not have people over. We did stay quarantined. We are following the rules. Well, me and my daughter. My husband still has to work, but Sunday he was home, and we also had our birthday over the weekend. Again, just us, and we played hide and go seek. We slept in the living room. We did movies. We just spent the whole day playing whatever game she wanted. And yeah, my house is really messy. Oh, my apartment's really messy. And having 3 cats and 2 dogs makes it a bit messier, especially when 3 out of all of them are shedding. Oh. And Sundays we clean. I clean every day actually, but my husband's only home all day Sunday, so we enjoyed all day yesterday with him. There's baby kitty and the baskets I did for them. But yeah, no, my house got really messy over the weekend. We're gonna get everything back to normal. I think these are supposed to be clean. I don't even know. All of this has to be washed though. Yes, baby kitty. My cats are so needy. yesterday I did not get to do mine and Clarissa's room. I did make the food I was gonna make, the Mexican rice and the pipián. But I did not record a video like I was going to. My husband called and said he was gonna come home early, like 4 hours earlier than he normally does. So I stopped recording and I quickly just started cooking the food because I like the dinner to be ready by the time he's home. So I will do it in the future though. But Clarissa's room definitely needs a little cleanup. She slept in the living room last night again with her dad. They had a movie night. There's Miss Clarissa doing some schoolwork online again. Not just because of what's going on right now that all the kids have homeschooled, but I've homeschooled my daughter for 2 years now, going on 3. This is all normal for us. She loves reading. She loves her dog Nala. Now we will be cleaning her room. She was gonna help me. She might a little bit, but she has to catch up on some work too. Alright, let's get going. Clarissa's room all nice and clean. Not that it'll last, but let's hope. You can see her. I mean, I gotta work on fixing this desk. I mean, look at all this. It has gone through a lot. But I like it. When we bought it, it wasn't like that, but it had the rusty and everything, which I liked for Clarissa's room. I mean, I don't plan on getting her a new one. I mean, I've talked to her about it, but she really likes it, and I like it too. I mean, it's still a desk, it's still good. We just gotta try to get rid of all that. To a kitchen, that looks decent finally. No toy area. And there's her bathroom. I'll do a video about that, but I had just already cleaned that one in my bathroom. The day before, yes, like 2 days ago. I deep cleaned it and they're still good, so I'll do them next. And then the humidifier, we just started using it. Clarissa my daughter's always had a really bad eczema, and they said this humidifier is supposed to help, but I mean, she likes sleeping in the living room all the time, but now hopefully it works. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you liked it, please give us a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment. I will definitely respond back. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will be uploading more videos. Again, I have a lot of cooking, a lot of recipes. I'm not cooking today because we have leftovers, and I like to finish the leftovers. But this is it for today. My husband is probably now on his way home from work, so I gotta get his dinner ready. Thank you guys, and have a good day.